All right, Independence Day 2024. Got crew with me today. Say hi, Nate.
Oh, howdy, howdy.
I think the wind is going to be exactly against us the whole way we want to go. So here we go. Thanks, man.
Where these go?
All right, I should really just video everything. I'm gonna try to start that with maybe a GoPro or something, but yeah. So we're over here where I kind of wanted to go. This is near, still on the Tennessee River, Guntersville Lake. This is Browns Creek Sailing Association here. And I just joined this club here a while back. And I think I'm just gonna cruise over there. We anchored out here. I could probably go in there somewhere, but I think we're gonna spend the night at anchor to take advantage of any breezes, which would be nice. So it's hot. We've already got the swim ladder down and jumped in a few times, got the dinghy in the water. But yeah, for some reason, my electric motor on the way over here, way back there by that bridge where we first came out, overheated, and it was saying it was high temp. So we shut that down and slowly sailed almost all the way over here, and then the high temp warning went off, and was able to just kind of motor slowly on in here. So I got to figure out what's going on with that, which probably means I need to read the manual. So that's what we're doing later. But right now we're going to take the dinghy and head over here somewhere and try to go to a little restaurant, which is right there. So let's see what happens.
Just rolling.
All right, so we made it over here. We actually rode over to that little area over there and walked around the corner to this little bar and grill here called Fire by the Lake. And our boat, can't really see it, but it's just past that utility pole way out there. You just barely see the top of the mast. But anyway, really cool place. All right, so the town of Guntersville, Alabama is lighting it up here tonight. And that is way over there. Mother ocean, I've heard you call. Wanted to sail upon your Happy 4th of July. I was 3 feet tall. America. You seen it all. You seen it all. Cars are lined up all the way down this bridge. Couldn't figure out what was going on. That's a little Browns Creek Sailing Association, and that bridge, that causeway rather, leads in from the west, I guess it would be, and southwest into Guntersville. Man, this is pretty impressive. Yes, I am. This has been going on for quite a while. Like a surprisingly long time. I don't know if this is the end or not, but in this sky here. I mean, my camera's picking up the clouds. It's been drifting for a long time. I didn't think to time it. I'm thinking we got to be getting to the finale at some point here, because these poor people out here on this causeway need to go to bed at some point. This is a park way over there where you can see the place for the emergency vehicles. That's where they're launching everything from. That's got to be the finale, huh? I know, man. Look at the smoke pouring out of the ground. Look at this. Well, if that wasn't the finale. There's some homes back through here. Everybody's cheering there. Wow. Good job, Guntersville. That was impressive. All right, folks. See you later. It's too dark out here. All right, so we're underway here. Just left the anchorage. And light winds, but we're moving. So we were anchored right over there. And yeah, not a whole lot of drama for today yet, but you know, day's still young. So far, we just couldn't get the windlass to work here. It's a Simpson Lawrence windlass, and it just it won't crank. Can't figure out why. But it's like frozen. But man, I maintained it, and should be all good. But we'll figure that one out too eventually. Gosh. It's always something. All right. At least there's a little breeze. Well, I'm down here cooking breakfast, and oh, Nathan's just sailing underneath this bridge here. Hang back there. So we got some sausage and eggs. It was a weird noise, like I was down here and I could hear the traffic going across. Like, what is that sound? Well, we're making good time here. We're not really going anywhere. We're just kind of cruising, so that's fun. No place to be. I'm glad I put this little forward window in. That weird little contraption out of PVC pipe is just to hold the dinghy so that I can see out. There's Guntersville. Come on. That's the city harbor over there. Anyway, we're about to eat here. Oh, got some toast burning. Good. Eee. Oh yeah, that's where you like it right there. How's it going, bud?
Good.
Look at that. Oh, it's nice up here. There's a breeze. That's cool, man. All right. So now we've got a storm coming out of the direction we want to go. So our plan here is to see how long we can cruise this direction before we need to change something, as in reduce sail. And we may just do that a little early. Still nice out. Hey, buddy. Okay. All right, well, storm's still up there, but we are kind of making it in, I think, without any major problems. The wind shifted to, you know, dead ahead, so we're motoring in. But yeah, we did all right. It's been a good sail. A little lightning back there. We're trying to get out of here. All right. Not too much further. Okay. We are still dry.
So far.
So far. All right, well, hey, that's it. Later.